Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. And today I'm going to show you how to make this really super simple centerpiece, or I would actually use it probably for a gift table at a wedding or any kind of winter birthday celebration. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making some scrunchy bows. So the first thing I'll do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, cut a piece, and lay this into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take about 14 inches of Bowdabra Scrunchy Ribbon, and we'll just scrunch that in. Now I've already cheated and made a few ahead, so this will be really simple and quick. You don't have to watch me make them all. So that's just like super, super simple. And I'm just going to bring this around and tie a knot and clip the ends and put this aside. And then what I'm going to do is take my vase and put that in the center here. And then I have a couple of Zots, and what I'm going to do is just stick the Zots right into my vase, and they'll help hold my my branch in. So I'm just going to put that in there. And then what I'm going to do is take my Scrunchie Bows, and we're just going to put that all the way around here so it covers the foam. And then put this one here. And then what I'm going to do is put this in so that the light is facing up, so I can just easily reach in and turn on the light. Then what I'm going to do is take this branch and just put the branch into my foam, and take these branches here, and we're just going to put those in the side here, and take this one here and just put that in on the side here. And we're going to be putting a lot into this. So then now I have these little, these are actually left over from the holidays, but because they have the presents on them, I think they're really cool for the table where you're going to put all of the gift for a gift table. So just put those in the side here. And I'm actually going to bring this around here so that stays in there. And I'm going to put in another one of my scrunchy ribbons so we cover everything up. And I'm just going to click my lights on here and put that aside. And I'm going to grab my Bowdabra and take some more of my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'll just fold that in half and lay this in here. And then what I'm going to do is take my mesh, and we're just going to scrunch this in, and we do sell this mesh in our Bowdabra store. And then I have this really pretty snowflake ornament. I'm just going to lay that in there and bring this up here, pull it through my slip knot. So this is really quick. It's a great way to use picks that you have laying around. And I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and tie another knot. And then I'm just going to take this and clip my ends here. And I'm going to take the little ornament wire here, and I'm just going to put that onto this pick. And I'm going to bring the snowflake around, and we've got our finished centerpiece or gift table piece. So it was super, super simple to make, but looks so elegant. So please don't forget to share, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in our next video.